Hi everyone! Today we're making an easy and cute star coaster. We'll go through each stitch step by step together. No magic rings, no complicated techniques, just good energy and good yarn. Before we begin, all you need is medium weight cotton or acrylic yarn, a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, and scissors. To start our coaster, the first thing we need to do, as always, is make a slip knot. I'm going to chain 5. Then I'm inserting my hook into the very first chain I made, yarning over and pulling through. I'm joining the circle and chaining 1. I'm keeping the short yarn tail underneath my fingers and crocheting right over it to hide it as I go until the end of the round. Now I'm yarning over, inserting my hook into the center of that circle, yarning over again and pulling up a loop. You can see I now have 3 loops on my hook and I'm pulling through all 3 of those loops to make a half double crochet. I'm inserting my hook back into the circle and making another half double crochet. Go ahead and keep making half double crochets until you have a total of 10 half double crochets in that circle. My 10 half double crochets are all done now. I'm pulling the yarn tail tight to close up the circle. I'm joining the round by slip stitching right into the top of that first half double crochet. Chain 1 and let's move on to the second round. In this second round, I'm going to work 2 half double crochets into every single stitch. So I'm working 1 half double crochet into the stitch and then a second half double crochet right into that same stitch. Go ahead and continue around the entire round, placing 2 half double crochets into each stitch. I've reached the end of the round now. Once again, I'm joining with a slip stitch into the top of that first half double crochet. Chain 1 and let's move on to the third round. For this third round, I'm working 1 half double crochet into that first stitch. Then in the next stitch, I'm working 2 half double crochets. In the following stitch, 1 half double crochet, and in the next stitch, I'm working 2 half double crochets right into that same stitch. Just keep repeating that pattern all the way around. I reached the end of the third round and I'm joining with a slip stitch into that first half double crochet. Now we're ready to begin the next round, and this is the fun part. In this round, we're going to create the points of our star. I'm inserting my hook into the next stitch, yarning over and pulling up a loop. I'm making one single crochet. In that same stitch, I'm making one half double crochet. Then in the next stitch, one double crochet. In that same stitch, one treble crochet. Chain 2. Now yarn over twice and work one treble crochet right into the next stitch. In that same stitch, work one double crochet. In the next stitch, work one half double crochet. Then make one single crochet. Go ahead and slip stitch into each of the next 2 stitches. Then in the following stitch, make one single crochet. One half double crochet. In the next stitch, one double crochet. Then one treble crochet. Chain 2. In the next stitch, one treble crochet. One double crochet. In the next stitch, one half double crochet. Then one single crochet. Slip stitch into those next 2 stitches. Just keep repeating that pattern all the way around to create all of your star points. My star is now complete. I'm finishing up the round and cutting my yarn. Now I'm weaving that remaining yarn tail into the back of the work to hide it. Just keep weaving that tail neatly through the wrong side of the project. Then go ahead and trim up any remaining yarn ends. And just like that, our star is finished. I hope you enjoyed making this one. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!